Imagine waking up one day and realizing something is moving under your skin. Not a dream, not a nightmare, but real. This is the story of Elena, and what doctors found on her face shocked everyone. Elena was a normal girl. She loved makeup, selfies, and going out with friends. But one morning, everything changed. She looked into the mirror and noticed something strange, tiny bumps moving slightly. At first, she ignored it. She thought it was just acne. But by night, the itching started, and it wasn't normal. It felt like something was crawling. Days passed, and the bumps got worse. Red spots, swelling, pain. And then, one night, she saw it clearly. Something moved under her skin. Elena panicked. She rushed to the hospital. Doctors ran tests, scans, everything. And what they discovered was terrifying. There were tiny parasites living inside her skin. Invisible at first, but growing every day. No one knew how it started, maybe contaminated products, maybe infection, but one thing was clear. If they didn't act fast, it could spread across her entire face. Doctors immediately began treatment. Step by step, they cleaned her skin, removed infected layers, applied deep cleansing medicine. It was painful, slow, and intense, but with every step, her skin started healing. The redness faded, the bumps disappeared, and the crawling feeling was finally gone. After days of treatment, Elena looked in the mirror again, and this time, she smiled. Her skin was clear, healthy, beautiful, from horror to confidence again. But this story is a reminder. Sometimes small problems can turn into something big, so never ignore your body's warning signs, because what you don't see can hurt you the most. If this shocked you, make sure to like this video, thumbs up. And if you want more crazy real stories like this, subscribe now, because the next one is even more disturbing.